In this lesson, we're going to be talking about the do-while loop. The do-while loop is different than the other two loops we've looked at, the for loop and the while loop, because the test for the do-while loop is at the bottom. The relational expression or condition is at the bottom of the loop rather than at the top. So let's first take a look at how that works. We'll do a simple counting program where we're going to count the first 10 integers. So we're going to create a sum variable and then a number variable. And then we're going to say do, and notice we start a block. Then we're going to say sum is equal to, we'll just do plus equal, sum plus equal number, number plus plus, or plus plus number, either one's fine there. And then outside of the block, we're going to write while number is less than or equal to 10. And then see out sum. We'll keep it simple. So let's compile and run that program. So as we expected, we got the sum of 55, which is exactly what we thought. So let's take a look at this in more detail. The do-while is formed with a do and a block, followed by the while. Inside the block, of course, will be the statements that you want to loop over or iterate over. And at the bottom of the loop, outside the block, is the while. While number is less than or equal to 10. So notice that regardless of what the value of number is, this loop is going to be entered at least one time. So if I set the value of number to 11 and run the program, I'm still going to get something because we don't test for the loop to stop until the bottom, after the statements in the loop have been executed. That's the key thing to remember about a do-while loop. Many languages don't even include this type of loop now because you really can write anything you write as a do-while can be written as a can be written as a while or even as a for loop. So understand that this is just more for convenience and historical and tradition more than necessity, because you really don't need this type of loop to run, but it is possible. So again, let's review. The do-while puts the conditional or relational expression at the bottom, so the statements are executed at least once, regardless of whether the conditional is going to be true or false. And then other than that, it's just like a regular while loop that you're already familiar with.